Today I have this detainer lock for you guys. It's this fantastic ABUS Plus 8840. This is the newer this detainer core. All of the discs, they have false gates, and here's the key. Let me check how many discs are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 discs probably. And yeah, it's working very nice, very smooth, and it's a ball bearing, so you cannot shim this one. Hopefully you can see that ball bearing, and unfortunately I cannot disassembly without destroying it. And with the lock I got this key card for like something anti-pull, anti-pick, anti-drill, something. Here's that code, so you can get a new key, and this attention booklet, so in German. Where is English? Here's the English one. Here's some kind of maintenance. Lock does not open. To open the lock, turn the key 180. And then French and other, so something on that side. So let's move that and let's try to pick this one. I will rotate all the discs clockwise as far as they can go, and of course I will use this Sparrow's this detainer pick, and hopefully you can see. So let's try. First we are going to move all the disc in a gate. Doesn't need to be a false, can be a false or true gate. So let me position the pick only on the first disc. So let's try. So here's we're in a false gate, false or true gate, doesn't matter. In a gate. I don't think that you can hear. This seems to be already in a gate. Next one. Now small click. Hopefully you can hear that. The next one, come on. Click again, and small turn on the core. This is in a gate. Click again, and I think we are on the last one. So let's go back. Now should we have fun? So this is like stuck, so I think click, still in a false gate I think, and now we are in a true gate, so a lot of movement on that disc. So let's go back to the next one. This feels in a false gate. Click, still, and I think now it's moving a lot, so now we are in a gate. So the next one, I think we are in a false gate. Good click and good turn on the core. I think we are in a gate, in a true gate I think, true gate. Next disc. Strange. I think we are in a true gate, and this is definitely false gate, and we are open. Oh, nice. Yeah, it was it's not that easy pick, to be honest. It's a bit tricky pick, and I think I'm so used to these detainer locks, especially the Abloy one, Abloy Classic, so I'm probably that's why I can easily feel and easily determine if we are in a false or true gate. But yeah, pick is a pick. So this was the ABUS Plus 8840, made in Germany. This detainer picked So guys, thanks for watching, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.